everyone, welcome back to my channel sharing knowledge video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a customized power plan in Windows 10 and 11. So if you have been wondering how to delete a power plan, follow this video instruction how to delete a power plan step by step. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Let's see how to delete a customized power plan. To do that, open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box, we'll type Control and press Enter key to open the control panel. In the control panel, change the view option to get full control panel settings. Under control panel settings, now click on the power option settings. Here in the power option settings page, if you want to delete any of custom power plan, then click change plan settings. But you cannot see the delete plan option in the edit plan settings. So you need to click on the additional plans like this, then choose an additional plan like this, then click change plan settings, then select cancel like this. As you can see, customized power plan will be moved to the additional plans, and also default balanced power plan enabled. You don't want to do anything here. Okay, now you need to click change plan settings beside your customized power plan like this. Then you will see the option delete this plan in the edit plan settings. You can see here, go ahead on and click on it. Then select OK to confirm the delete. This will remove your customized power plan. You can follow this way to delete your customized power plan. Okay, that's it. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.